the video. Did you go sledding?
Yes.
Was it fun?
No.
No, why wasn't it fun?
Up there.
Hey. Hey. You didn't have fun going sledding? Would you stop licking the snow off your glove? Hey. Chris. Did Rocky pull you on the sled?
No.
He didn't?
No.
Out here he did. Not on the sledding hill, but out here. Oh, that's gross. You dropped it. Ew, you're picking it off your shoes. Chris, that's gross. Don't do that. No, no, no. Stop. Stop. Seriously. The snow on your boots is dirty. Put that down. Look at me. Look at me. You like playing out in the snow?
No.
Why?
But
You're being mean. Why are you being mean? No, you're staying in.